Well, hello there, gorgeous. Thank you for tuning in to Stacy's Unique Beauty class. We're going to talk about brows today, getting beautiful brows in just a matter of a minute to 2 minutes using Unique's Obsession Brow Palette. I guess the name speaks for itself. I am obsessed with this brow palette. Before Unique brought this along, I was using either pigments or eyeliners to kind of fill in all those areas and create definition. Now, with this palette and this brow artist brush, I can push all those other products to the side, use them for something else, and focus just on this little beauty for these brows. So when you get your brow palette, you can either get it in light, medium, or dark. Light is for brown or is for blondes. Medium is for brunette, and your dark shade is if you have black hair or dark hair, or you just want really, really dark brows. So I'm using medium. My highlighted color is blonde, but my natural color is brunette. So let me show you what you have here. You have 5 different colors. 5. Okay, you've got your lighter color, which is a powder. You have your darker powder. You have a pink highlight. You have a nude highlight, and then you have your brow wax. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to use that. So here we go. First thing you need to do when you are applying your brows is you need to mark 3 points: your starting point, your arch point, and your end point. So using number 1 here, which is my lighter shade, I'm going to mark right here, the start of my brow. I'm going to use the darker shade to mark my arch, okay? And then the darker shade to mark the end here. And don't worry, we will mess with that in a bit. All you do is you basically angle your brush to the side of your nose, and that's how you know where the points are. So again, using your brush lined up to your nose here, angled there about, what would you say degree that is? I don't know, 45? And then there. Here we go. So using the flat end of the brush, I'm going to, with a straight line, go from my starting point up to the arch. Okay, same thing on the bottom, a straight line from my starting point to the arch. Now, with all that little extra space, I'm just going to kind of dust it and fill it in. Okay, just dust it and fill it in. I'm just using some upward strokes there. With the darker shade, I'm going to go from the arch to the end, and the same thing, from where I made that point, I'm just going to draw a straight line down. Same thing here, straight line, and then fill it in. It's harder to do that in the mirror or in my phone than it is here. And there we go. Now when you'll flip to the other side, and this is for the cream products that are in the Obsession palette. So with the pink here, what you do with the pink is you just line underneath your brow. And so you can see I created that same line where I just went straight, arch, and then down, and then kind of blend it into your shadow. You can do this before or after your shadow. So what that does is it just gives you a more definite, sharp line. I think it looks gorgeous. And again, it's a light pink. And so when you blend it in, you can't even tell that you even applied another color there. And then so with the nude color, same thing. I'm going to just use the cream end of the brush here and apply the top straight line to the arch and straight line to the end. And then blend it. I'm just kind of blending it right into my foundation there. Voila, beautiful, right? Again, you can see how I have more shape and more definition. And then last but not least, the brow wax. Look at that. All this is going to do is it's going to keep all those hairs in place. It's going to add a little bit of shine to your brow and just make it look gorgeous. Check that out. See? Boring, gorgeous. Looks like I'm ready to rock and roll, right? Ready to rule the town. All right, check it out. Let me know if you have questions about color matching for it. I'd love to help you out, but thanks for tuning in to the beauty class on brows. All right, see you soon. Bye.